Welcome back to Nuzo Water Talks, a place where we share experiences as we grow. Hope you learn from us as we learn from you. Hosted by yours truly, Nuzo Water Ubara. Today, let's talk about something real. Money. Money. Somebody say ego in the comment section. In fact, not just money, oh, let's talk about the madness we call adulting in Nigeria. You dey try, you dey hustle, salary dey enter, but somehow by mid-month, garri and water levels na remain. It sounds familiar, abi? I know. Well, that's the exact wahala a lady called Zuri faced in The Smart Money Woman by Arese Ugwu. This book didn't just call me out. You see, it dragged me, sat me down, and told me, "There's no water, behave." And today, I want to gist you like we're sitting down in a room, chewing granuts and getting egg as I drop this gist. So stay nowhere. Sorry, go nowhere. Be right back. So Zuri is this Lagos babe that has it all together. On the outside, working a good job, has a car, an apartment, in Lekki, clothes that gives slay queen vibes, hair laid like it was forth from heaven. But behind all that fine girl packaging, wahala. She is broke. I mean, the type of broke where you're scared to open your bank app. The one where you especially with the client and you say, network issue. The book, it starts when the car breaks down and she realizes that she doesn't even have an emergency fund to fix it. She can't even ask her friends because, now, how will they see me? Image. Zuri was looking rich, but I can't balance, dry fasting. You see, a lot of us, we have this silent competition we didn't register for. We want to show people that we have arrived, even when our bank account says we are still in transit. Areshe said something in that book that slapped me. Being broke, you see, is loud, but wealth is quiet. You see all those uncles and aunties that wear wrappers, slippers, and carry jewel bags, but can buy land in Banana Island. Yes, so meanwhile, you're chatting on Instagram in your rent money week. Zuri was spending to keep up, eating out, spa days, fashion hauls, but no plan, no saving, no boundaries. And to be honest, we've all been there. One little pressure, next thing, you're ordering shawarma to feel better. Emotional spending is a real thing. This went on and on until she met a financial coach, which opened her eyes to the hard truth. You cannot budget what you don't track. Mm. Let me let that one sink. After 1 week, Zuri decided to take that into cognizance and she was shocked by her results. 17K over shawarma. Gone. For small, small things. Hair, Uber, shawarma, random recharge card, birthday gift to colleagues. She doesn't even like, the dream. You just spend. And it hits her. You can't budget when you don't track. If your money habits are just vibes and guesses, you will always be broke by the 15th of the month if you're a salary earner, though. But the truth is, you will always be broke. So, what is the lesson you're taking from here? Learn to budget. Start budgeting. So you can track where your expenses are coming from. You need to track it. You need to know it. So budget today. And don't be like Zuri. Now, let's talk about another interesting character in the book, Ladun. That friend that looked like she was living the dream, tall husband, big house, kids that go to British curriculum school. Instagram aesthetics, kitchen that looks like, pink, but inside that house, captivity. Ladun didn't have access to her own money. Her husband would embarrass her for spending too much. She wouldn't even take any financial decisions without asking for permission. That's one, eh? It touched me. How many women are in this position today? Married, yes. Financially secure, not at all. Because you can't access or control money. You're just decorating the house, just for decoration. Marriage does not save your financial status. It doesn't. It doesn't give you financial freedom. All right. So learn how to budget, learn how to control your money. In this part one, we've looked at Zuri, her initial mess, the lies we tell ourselves about looking rich, and the silent ways money stress creeps into our life. Zuri's life teaches us that it's not about how much you earn. It's about facing the mirror and saying, babe, we need to do better. So tell me in the comments, are you like Zuri or Ladun? Do you spend emotionally? Or do you feel like you need to prove anything with your lifestyle? Let's talk. I mean, no judgment. Rara, there's no judgment. And of course, subscribe so you don't miss the part two where we're going to Adeswa, Tammy, Black Tats, and how Zuri turned her life around. It's about to get even juicier. So subscribe now so you don't miss out. Alright? I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Do not forget, let me remind you, my name is Nuzo Wate, your host. And this is Nuzo Wate Talks, a place where we share experiences as we grow, hoping you'll learn from us as we learn from you. This week is about finance. Bye.